Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial. And today, I'm going to tell you more about Pete, the freelance photographer. Pete likes to use Excel to keep track of his meetings with clients. He finally figured out how to update the date format as shown in another video, but sometimes has issues with the time format. Pete can't miss these meetings, so he's making it a priority to figure out the time formats. Let's see if we can help. Here's Pete's spreadsheet of all of his meetings that he needs to get to this month. The problem is that some of them actually have 1422, 2245, 1903. It appears that this is actually set to the 24-hour clock. There's nothing wrong with that, but Pete's much quicker when it comes to reading the 12-hour times. We're going to see if we can help him fix that. The first thing that he tried was using this drop-down that we went over in the last video. He tried out short date, but then it removed the time altogether. So he tried long date, which still doesn't show the time. Alright, well, how about the time one? Okay, now it just has the time. So as you can see, short date, long date, and time all are relevant to the information he's trying to display, but it doesn't show him everything that he needs, which is the full date and the full time based on the 12-hour time clock. So let's go ahead and check out the More Numbers Format section. In here we're going to have two options. It's either going to be under the Date section or the Time section. So let's start in the Date section. Many of these in the Date section show that they're only going to show the actual date, nothing about the time. These two, on the other hand, are the main options when it comes to showing the full date and the time. Let's try out the Time area. Now all of these here only show the time and don't show the date at all, but these two here show the date and the time. So those are going to be our two options. This one isn't going to work because, again, it uses the full 24-hour time clock. So let's go ahead and choose this one because it has the 1:30 instead of 13:30. Now these are properly formatted so that Pete can quickly look at this list and easily know what time he needs to be meeting someone. The only thing that can make this list better is if we go to the Data tab and sort it A to Z. Remember, always expand the selection. Now Pete has an idea of exactly when he needs to be there and what day, just at a quick glance. Pete has a clear idea of what he's looking at and how to reformat the dates if he ever sees them change again. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and until next time, have fun excelling!